So, I like puzzles. In fact, one of my first videos was me creating a puzzle, and I like doing it. So, I decided to create another puzzle, but this time you can put stuff in it instead of just being a little gimmicky thing. I chose a model by this dude because you can put small stuff in it, and it's kind of a fun puzzle because you can't really see where you're going, and you kind of remember where you've been and where you can go, if that makes sense. So, let's go make it. Here's my brother.
Hi.
Okay, and he's gonna be solving the puzzle and inside it is some stuff that he asked me to print. So, over to you. No. Oh. Alright, so he did it pretty quickly. That's not what I expected.
What?
Well, no. How did you do that? You just literally just pulled it up. Confused. How did? Huh? Could he have? No. Anyway, the things that he wanted were
Coronavirus.
Sonic and coronavirus, which were models I found on a website called Bangs, which is where I found this as well. So that went well. Didn't think he'll solve it within under a minute or two. Did it a bit too quickly than I thought he would, which makes me kind of annoyed because when I tried to solve it today, it took me a bit longer than it did for him. Apart from that, that was pretty cool, and I like doing puzzles. I just don't want to do it all the time because that'll kind of get a bit boring to watch, I guess. So I don't want to do it all the time. This video is meant to come out on Christmas or like around the time of Christmas, but I had some problems like me accidentally deleting this videos and other stuff. So yeah, it's about 3 days late or 4 depending on when it comes out. So, stay tuned for next week's episode, because I'm going to be trying out multicolored prints with my printer. I'm going to print one color at a time. Watch my next episode to see how it goes. Anyway, until then, see ya!